Hi my loves and welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Life with Cindy. Hey guys, how I achieved this makeup look. I call it my clean girl makeup look. Please without lashes. So let's get into the video. So guys, first I'll be drawing my brows with my eye pencil. I'll try to imitate the strokes of my brows one by one. That way it looks very natural and not too dark or too fake. I have really scanty brows. I already posted a detailed video on how to achieve a natural looking brow with a scanty or sparse brow. You can go back and watch a video if you want to learn how to do it in a detailed way. Then next I applied a very good amount of foundation, not too much. This is not a full glam. So you want to apply just as much that would cover your face but not make you look very extreme. And next I went in with my beauty blender. I blended in foundation into my skin properly. You want to make sure that your foundation blends into your skin well. That way it looks like skin. Currently I prefer to use this beauty blender foam. You can actually use what works for you. It must not be a foam. It can actually be a brush that works for you. Make sure that you blend into your skin properly. Then next I apply my concealer under my eye. I like to use a brighter concealer, that way it lightens my under eye and I blend it in as well. For this particular look I would love a liquid blush, but I don't have at my disposal right now, so I'm making use of this lipstick or lip stain that's actually nude or pinky. I apply it around my nose corner and at the highlight of my cheekbones and I blend it in properly, and it suffices for the liquid blush just perfectly. I apply the nose contour to contour my nose and blend it in as well. Remember, it's not a full glam, so nothing too serious here with the contouring. And of course, my favorite part of makeup, translucent powder. I just like how it looks whenever I apply it. I've not blended it properly, so I apply it under my eye as well, then at the corners and the front of my forehead as well, and then we blend off with a brush to clean up all the excesses. You have to be really careful with this one. It can be very tricky when you leave it to sit on for too long. You want to have a white face, you look like a ghost. Please do not allow it to sit for a long time before you blend it out. And then of course I lined my eyes, but not too thick. Like I said, natural girl makeup look. You don't want to make this too pronounced. You can just strike a balance when you're applying them. And of course, one of the most important parts of the particular look is your mascara. You have to thicken your lashes because you're not using any lashes for this look. Remember, it's team no false lashes, so you want the makeup to pop, so you have to go all in with your mascara at the top of your eyelashes and the down one below as well. Next I went to with my contour and blush palette. I applied the powdered blush on top of the liquid blush to make the blush pop. I want to have more rosy cheeks because natural look. I don't know, it looks so cute when your cheeks is more rosy. You need natural makeup. And of course my highlighter for that shimmer. I don't know, but just you can never go wrong with highlighters. Like, it's just it for me. You can't go wrong with highlighting your face. Then of course my lip combo, I went for something nude and natural brown, touch of like nude color. Then I went to my setting spray to set everything in, and there we had the final look, because natural girl makeup, right? It looks so cute. My lip gloss is dripping in this video. I just found out when I saw this video on my camera. Anyways guys, please do well to follow me for videos like this and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I love you. Thank you for watching. Mwah.